Hello guys, let's start part 2. Open your browser and access retropie.org UK to download the OS. I use Raspberry Pi 02W, so let's download this version. Open Raspberry Pi Imager app. Select Raspberry Pi 2W. Choose Use Custom and select the image file which just downloaded. Insert your micro SD card to your PC. Click Next, and No to not apply OS customization settings. Unplug the micro SD card and reinsert it to the PC. Let's open the boot drive. SSH file empty. To enable remote and wp_supplicant.onf file, it has the Wi-Fi username, password to connect your Wi-Fi. Just copy them to boot drive. Then take the micro SD card out and insert it to the Raspberry Pi board. Switch power on. Open the browser and access the router or modem URL. Click on View List. You will see the name is Retropie. Copy the IP. Open the console app to remote. I use git bash. Type SSH pi at your_IP, then click Enter. Type Yes to create a fingerprint, only for first time. Then input the default password, Raspberry. Okay, now let go to GPIONext page. Copy these commands and paste to the console app. After that, click Enter to run the install.sh. It will take a few minutes to update the system, depend on your network speed. So take your time. Install complete. Type N and click Enter to not run the configuration. Open GPIONext.txt file. Copy the command to console app. Use space button to select. Now hold each button on your handheld. Follow the guide on the screen. If the button pin not show here, you need to check the soldering again. Done. Select Exit. Type GPIONext Start, then click Enter to start the service. Alright, before we set up the buttons, we need to rotate the screen. Type sudo nano/boot/config.txt, hit Enter. Then scroll down to the bottom and add the line displaying rotate equals 2. Press Ctrl+W, then click Enter to save and Ctrl+X to exit. After all, type sudo reboot, click Enter to reboot the handheld. Hold any button to start config the gamepad. Hold any button to skip the button we don't have. I use the yellow button for the hotkey, then click A button to save. Nice, the buttons are ready. I use Handheld theme. Let's remote the handheld again and install it. Type sudo sh retropie setup/retropie setup, hit Enter. On the menu, go down, select Configuration/Tools, and also find S-Themes, click Enter. Then scroll down, find Handheld theme. Hit Enter to install the theme. It will take a few minutes. Done. Select Cancel to exit. And back. Final, select Perform Reboot and select Yes to reboot. On home screen, press Start button. Select UI settings. Go down Theme Set, press right button, then B button to change. To fix screen black border, type sudo nano/boot/config.txt, click enter. Remove hashtag character before disable_overscan equals 1 and set framebuffer_width to 640, framebuffer_height to 480. Hold Ctrl+W to save the file, then Ctrl+X to exit, then sudo reboot. To install the sound driver, type sudo nano/etc/sound.onf, click enter. Then open file sound_driver.txt, copy the content and paste to console app. Hold Ctrl+W to save, then Ctrl+X to exit. Now, open file sound_boot.txt. Type sudo nano/boot/config.txt on console app. Add hashtag character to the line term equals audio equals on to comment it. Copy the text on the notepad and paste it on console app. Hold Ctrl+W to save file. Click enter, then Ctrl+X to exit. At last, type sudo reboot. On default screen, press Start to open the menu. Select Sound Settings. Then go down to Audio Device. Press right button until PCM. Then go up to System Volume. Increase it about 70%. Done. The sound is ready now. Type sudo nano/boot/combine.txt, click enter. Change TTY1 to TTY3. Go to the end of line. Then open the combine.txt. Copy the content, paste it. Ctrl+W to save. Press enter. And Ctrl+X to exit. Next, type sudo nano/boot/config.txt. Go to the end of file, add disable_/ equals 1, then save the file. At last, type sudo reboot to apply the changes. Open File Browser. On the address bar, type / your _IP, click enter. Open Splash Screens folder. Copy and paste your video to it. Type sudo sh retropie setup /retropie_setup.sh to access the setup menu. Select Configuration/Tools. Go down and select Splash Screen. Select Choose Splash Screen. Select Own/Extra. Then select your video. Then back the first screen. Click Exit to close the menu. We also need to fix the sound not play on start. Open file splashscreen.txt, copy the content and paste it to console app. Click enter. Go down and find the line on player, change the value, both to ALSA. Save the file and exit. Access game folder via the IP, click on the ROMs folder. Copy and paste Mega Drive and NES to it. Let's restart Emulation Station.